Attention. 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 An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Attention. Attention, please. A fire alarm signal has been received on your floor. The hotel staff and the fire department are responding to the alarm. You should check the exit corridor for any evidence of smoke or fire. If there is evidence of either smoke or fire, immediately walk to the nearest exit stairway, located at either end of the floor. Do not use the elevators. I repeat, do not use the elevators. Exit down the nearest stairway to the exterior of the building. Once out of the building, stay clear of all doors and driveways. This is a drill. This is a drill. This is a drill. All occupants report to the nearest stairway exit door and await further orders. Do not enter stairway. Attention. 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 A severe weather storm has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to the designated tornado shelter area. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the designated shelter area immediately. Your attention, please. The building emergency condition has been cleared. You may return to your normal activities. The building emergency condition has been cleared. You may return to your normal activities. Attention. Attention. This is a fire brigade all call. All fire brigade members report for duty. Dr. Firestone, please dial 2829. A medical emergency has been reported.